Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Chagbashini. In today's video, I am going to share with you the gifts I got for Christmas. The gifts I got for my family and friends for Christmas, and some of the gifts that I got myself. These are not all the gifts, but these are the gifts I thought that might just give you some idea about things that you can get for your friends and your family this Christmas. As always, the prices of all the products and the possible links will be posted in the description box below, and I will appreciate it very much if you subscribe and switch on the bell icon just so that you get notified every time I upload a video, if you like this one, that is. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first gift idea that I'm going to share with you is the gift that I got for my father. So this is a set from Ted Baker London, and so I'm going to start with the packaging of this gift first. This is a beautiful packaging. So as you saw, this has this red cover on the box, and it has this amazing grey and black tiger motif in it. I just instantly got attracted to the packaging when I saw it. The best part about this packaging is that this carton packaging is recyclable. So if you're looking for an environment-friendly gift option, then you can go for this one. So this is the Sterling range, and it has a body spray, a blue cleansing bar, a body spray of 150 ml, 150 gram Sterling blue cleansing bar, 250 ml Sterling blue hair and body wash. And the fourth one is Sterling blue antiperspirant deodorant. So I will show you, and that has 150 ml again. Now I'll show you what is inside when you open the box. So this is what is inside the box. This is the body spray, this one is the deodorant, this one is the hair and body wash, and this is the cleansing bar. Plus this also has a bathroom towel, a mini towel, a bathroom hand towel that has the Ted Baker London tag in it. So my father doesn't use body wash. He doesn't like the feeling of body gels. So I just thought this will be a very good gift because I can give the body wash and the deodorant to my brother. I think the Ted Baker London gift sets that they specially make during holiday season are great gifts for your near and dear ones, because it is, even though it is slightly pricey, I won't lie, but then again, if you're gifting something to the people you love, I always believe that you should just give them. I'm a person who doesn't spend anything for days on an end, and then suddenly goes out one day and splurges on literally everything that I see and feel like, my friends and family are going to enjoy. I just find so much joy in gifting, so much joy in gifting things that I know that my family, my brother, my friends will enjoy. I love doing that more than I like buying things for myself. The next gifts are in this bag, and these are for my sister. So for my sister, I got the Ted Baker London In-Shower Body Lotion in Opulent Crush. Again, I love the packaging of the Ted Baker London products. I think for gifting they are great because they look very good. So even if you do not, package them, wrap them separately, you can just give them and they are going to still look good, which is why I got this gift bag where I'm going to put it. Body lotion is an in-shower body lotion, and it has sweet almond oil which moisturizes skin. So the in-shower body lotion is something you use after you use your body wash. So the way that you're going to use it is that you're going to apply it on your body, keep it after you have used the body wash. You're going to keep it for 2 to 3 minutes, and then you're going to wash it off with warm water. I have not used it myself because this is a gift, but I just love the smell of the body lotion. It's just so amazing. So if you I have actually bought a lot of Ted Baker London products this time, so if you want a review of any of the things I'm showing in this video today, let me know. I will be very happy to make reviews, because next year I think I'm going to take a bit of a break from doing reviews, which is why I'm trying to do as much reviews as I can this month. So yes, let me know. And this is the thing I got for my sister. I got a body wash and a body scrub from Jules. Now these are 200 ml tubes, and this is how they look. Again, while gifting, I like to kind of give preference to things that have pretty packaging. I don't know how this one smells actually. Okay, so this tube is sealed, and I am still smelling the Ted Baker London lotion. That's a beautiful smell. So again, since these are gifts, I'm not going to open them, but if you want reviews, let me know. I will consider buying them for myself for review. So the body wash from Jules is called the Muddy Brilliant Body Wash. This is a 200 ml tube, and this one is called it's called Don't Beat Around the Bush Body Scrub, and this is also a 200 ml. There is something that is for my brother. Now, whenever I am outside India, I like to get as many things that can be eaten or drank for my brother. He's a big foodie. So this one is from Bitter Chelsea, and this is a hot chocolate. So this is the vegan luxury hot chocolate. This is how it looks. I have actually tried it, and the Bittered hot chocolates are just absolutely amazing. And the best part is that these are made in England, so if you're going back home, these are good gifts to bring back. These are good gifts to gift to people, the people in your life who love drinking hot chocolate. I had to resist a lot to not open this. It's so good. It has sugar, but it has 39% cocoa, and it has a hint of salt in it, which balances out the sweetness. So I just love it, and I love the packaging. They have prettier packaging in other flavors like creme brulee, mint, white chocolate. There is also one called chocolate orange. Recently I'm loving the flavor of chocolate and orange. I wanted to get the luxury hot chocolate. Also, this one is vegan suitable, so if you're vegan, I am also recently enjoying vegan food, vegan drinks a lot, so you can definitely go for this one. The next thing is actually the gift that I got, and this one is from Dior, and this is the Dior Forever Skin Glow foundation. I have used this foundation in this for this video today, and it is just a foundation that gives you an amazing glow. I have a detailed review of this Dior Forever Glow foundation, because I wanted to put the because I wanted to put Dior's 24-hour claim to test. So Dior claims that this foundation stays on you for 24 hours. So I reviewed this foundation, showed my first impression, application, and tested whether it stays for that long. So I'm not going to elaborate in this video too much about it. You can check that out. The link is here and in the description box. And last but not the least, I got a pair of red knitted stockings for me, which is very Christmassy, and that is also a part of the Shein haul that I did last week, so you can check that out as well. On that note, I am going to wrap up today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you enjoyed it, that you got some ideas. I am going to do another gift haul pretty soon, but until then, I will appreciate it very much if you subscribe, hit the bell icon, give a thumbs up if you like it. It helps our channel grow, and I'll see you very soon. Take care of yourself. Bye.